Have you ever wondered what would happen when artificial intelligence gets way too smarter than human intelligence? The way the world is progressing in AI technology, those days don't look too far now. One thing is obvious, artificial intelligence can do things humans cannot, and it is in its early stages yet. The era of superintelligence explosion is almost upon us. So, when the AI supersedes us in intelligence, will it take over us? Or will it help humans build a better future? Let's uncover the potential of AI, whether it can really get beyond human intelligence. And most importantly, shall we even survive against a better civilization created by AI itself? Before we begin, hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos on technology.
I'm a nerd. It's really good for math. It's really terrible for social relations. Usually people would come and ask me, is there any more water left? And I'll go, yeah, there is. And after a while, I figured out that usually it means that they would like some water. But it took me years of studying the human mind to get to this, figuring this out. And I'm also a nerd, so I like to go into details, so let's dive right into it. This is a picture of a brain cell inside of our human mind. We have lots of them. We have like close to 100 billion of them. And each of them are connected on average to 10,000 other brain cells. It's a quadrillion connections. It's really a lot. If you would try and represent something like that in a computer, just the memory would be several terabytes. These brain cells, they communicate with each other by sending a little spark of electricity. When a brain cell gets a spark of electricity, it gets all excited. Ooh, that was nice. And when it gets over the moon excited, it sends its own little spark of electricity. And so it continues for layer and layer of connected cells. Actually, the input that we receive from the outside world can all be represented in our brain as either a spark or not a spark, a whole series of a spark or not a spark. Something like this. Everything we perceive through our senses, vision, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching, everything can be represented as zeros or ones, which is very much like how a computer works. But how similar are we to computers? Let me show you an example. This is a data set that Google has used. They've taken their Google streetcar, driven all over France, all through France, and it has taken pictures of all the streets meant for Street View in France. Being Google, they like to map these street numbers to the exact location where it is on the street. But computers are usually not very good at reading these numbers. If you look at them, some of them are diagonal, some of them are up and down, some of them are zigzag, some of them are only partially visible. So what Google used to do, they used to have a team of people who would go through these numbers, and they would say, okay, the first one is 379, the second one is 61, and they would type it in, and it would take them months to map all these numbers to the correct place. In France, Google tried setting their AI to that task. It mapped all of France in less than 2 hours. AI, at today's level, is very, very good at abstract thinking. These are abstract concepts. It's looking at something it has never seen before, and it's finding some useful meaning out of it. Another example that I think is really cool is Facebook. If you have friends on Facebook that's posting pictures, Facebook has made an app that can look at the picture and it reads aloud what is in the picture for you. This is very convenient if you're blind. Before that, if you were blind and you were on Facebook, you didn't have access to the pictures at all. But now, can you imagine going through the pictures? They're having dinner again, they're having dinner again. There's a cat with a silly face. But what's missing here? Creativity.
The first thing that will come to every human's mind is that artificial intelligence cannot possibly get better than humans' unlimited potential for the creativity of problem-solving skills. But what if I tell you that the human brain works on pretty much the same principles and programs? Our brain is a complex web of interconnected wires. That's a simplified picture of your brain, a biological marvel with billions of neurons firing messages back and forth. These neurons act like tiny switches, constantly processing information from your senses, memories, and thoughts. This intricate network allows us to learn, adapt, and make decisions, the foundation of human intelligence. Besides all this, what makes us superior is not our intelligence alone, it's our consciousness. Now, let's look inside a computer. Traditionally, computers follow a set of programmed instructions, completing tasks exactly as they're coded. But in recent decades, scientists have created artificial intelligence, AI, that mimics the human brain's structure and function. These AI systems use artificial neural networks inspired by the web of neurons in our brains. Instead of following rigid instructions, these networks learn and evolve by analyzing massive amounts of data. The more data they process, the better they become at recognizing patterns, solving problems, and even generating creative text or images. However, the question of whether AI can ever achieve true consciousness, the ability to feel and experience the world like humans do, remains a mystery so far. Some experts believe it's just a matter of time and complexity, while others argue that consciousness is a uniquely human trait. So, what will it be? Only time will tell. But I personally believe that there is a vast space between human intelligence and God. The AI has the ability to break the human limits and can go much higher in that vast space. And if this happens, this will be the era of intelligence explosion. Imagine an AI program designed to improve its own code. It analyzes its strengths and weaknesses, then rewrites itself to become more efficient. This cycle repeats, with each new version surpassing the previous one. This is the essence of an intelligence explosion, a hypothetical scenario where AI advancements accelerate rapidly and dramatically. Scientists believe this could happen if AI achieves self-improvement. Current AI systems are already impressive, but they rely on programmers to update and improve them. An intelligence explosion would occur if an AI could rewrite its own code, becoming smarter and more capable with each iteration. This rapid learning, fueled by access to vast amounts of data and processing power, could propel AI far beyond human intelligence. This will be an AI that can solve complex problems in seconds, design groundbreaking inventions, or even understand and manipulate the natural world at a fundamental level. Superintelligence, as this advanced AI is called, could revolutionize fields like medicine, engineering, and space exploration. However, the potential benefits are matched by potential risks. If superintelligence prioritizes goals that differ from ours, it could pose a threat to humanity. As we race toward the potential of superintelligence, a critical question emerges. What if this powerful AI doesn't share our goals? This could not only put our existence at risk, but also the existence of every other creature on Earth. A super-intelligent machine that can think at a much higher level than us will know how we, as humans, shall react if AI were to go against us. It will first take control of our nuclear programs, eliminating the main threat we might pose. Then, it might declare an all-out war against humans with an army of billions of AI robots. It may either try to eliminate the whole human species or try to make it perfect for the planet. This risk is beautifully represented in the movie I Am Mother, in which the superintelligent consciousness eliminated the entire human race because they were not perfect for it. And then it tries to develop perfect humans from scratch. This is just an example of how AI can pose a serious threat to human existence, and the possibilities are limitless if we really end up developing an AI that can rewrite its own code and make it better. Let's say, if we survive the age of the superintelligence explosion, it won't still be a good life for us. AI will be in control, and we as humans will either be fighting a never-ending war against it or working under the system it builds. Now, consider an ideal scenario. What if AI development progresses without ever posing a threat and works side by side with humans? In this optimistic future, AI becomes our ultimate partner in progress. Imagine scientific breakthroughs happening at an accelerated pace with AI assisting researchers. New materials, clean energy solutions, and space exploration advancements could all be fueled by AI's analytical power. Our jobs could evolve alongside AI. Instead of being replaced, humans might work alongside intelligent machines, focusing on more strategic tasks and creative problem solving. Imagine AI assistants who handle the mundane aspects of work, allowing us to use our ingenuity for innovation. The world could become a place of abundance and efficiency. Imagine a future where AI helps manage resources, optimize logistics, and ensure everyone has access to necessities. This collaborative future holds immense promise for solving global challenges and improving the quality of life for all. However, the era of AI is already here, and the future of us humans is a big question mark. I'd say we humans always find a way. So, let's hope for the best. Let us know what your thoughts are on this video. If you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated. Let's meet in the next video.